Affiliate marketing or creating your own digital product. Hey everyone, my name is Chow. If this is our first time meeting each other, I create videos like this on areas like digital entrepreneurship, online marketing, and personal development. Do check out all my other videos as well in the playlist. And if you like videos like this, take some time to just subscribe to this channel and you'll be getting more videos like this in the future. In today's video, I would like to explore which one of the two models, whether it's affiliate marketing or creating your own digital product as a digital creator, which one will benefit you in the long run? Which one is a better model for you? Without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, whether you are choosing the option of being an affiliate marketer or whether you are going to be a digital course creator, either one of these models work great because massive fortunes have been accumulated and have been made. A lot of money have been made by either people who are into affiliate marketing or people who are digital course creators themselves. And there is no doubt that affiliate marketing is a pretty gratifying business, especially so when you are just entering the digital marketing world. When you are first starting out, you do not want to make the mistake of going into the wrong market where there is no demand after spending hours and hours, countless number of hours, investing your time, your energy, and your mind into creating that digital product. You don't want to make that mistake because you are going to feel very demotivated if that is the case. So if you are first starting out, I do highly recommend that you check out the affiliate marketing model because you can take all that risks and that guesswork out of the equation. However, do know that affiliate marketing has its own limitation as well. And that is what I want to explore in this particular video. And if you are an affiliate marketer, I want to actually challenge you to start thinking the possibility of you creating your own digital products today. There are many benefits to it of having your own digital products, but among the few is the sense of satisfaction and fulfillment that you're going to get out of it. It is your own passion project. It is a topic that you are highly passionate about. It is something that you know a lot about, and it is your own work of art. And not to mention that you're going to get greater profits out of it. So overall, I would say that having your own digital products will give you more choices, more influence, and more independence in the long run. Typically, if you are an affiliate marketer, you are going to sell products that somebody else has created through an affiliate link, a unique affiliate link that is given to you. And whenever a sale is made using that link, you're going to get a commission between 50%, and I know of people who have made 75% commission or even more. Some course creators even give 100% of commissions for their front-end products. Typically, it's a lower-end product, and I know of people who have been doing that. And if you are just first starting out, it's totally okay, it is fine, because you want to learn the rope of the industry, you want to know how the game is being played. However, do know that there is a cap in terms of how much money that you can make through affiliate marketing. Yes, you are getting a high percentage, but oftentimes it is a higher percentage of a lower price products. You got to ask yourself, the reason why a lot of these digital course creators are willing to part with a greater percentage of the profit of their product for you. Why are they willing to do that? The reason why is because once somebody or a target audience that you have marketed to enter into their email list, they belong to them forever. So essentially, they are paying you to acquire customers for them. They might not make as much on the front end. However, because they have had this customer in their email list, they have the ability to offer to them more and more higher priced products in the back end. That is the reason why affiliate marketing works for digital course creators. Whereas if you are going to create your own digital products, there is an unlimited amount of income that you can make out of it. First of all, you get to keep all of the profits. Think about it. Digital product business is a business like none other. The production cost of your digital products can be said to be pretty close to zero. There isn't that much cost. You use your computer, but you need some internet connection. It costs a few cents on bandwidth for you to send and deliver information. Yes, there are some third-party platforms that you need to subscribe to in order to host your online course, but relatively, it is pretty inexpensive for you to start a digital course business of your own. With your own product, not only are you able to keep 100% of all the profits, you have more control as well in terms of the product that you are going to create and the sales page of your product. You have the ability to market to your list again and again if it is your own product. And not only that, you have the ability to recruit affiliate marketers to help you promote your product, and you get to set how much commission that they're going to get. So this is extra revenue that you are able to make even without any single marketing effort from your own. So that is why you need to think and switch hat in terms of having your own digital products. Once you have your own digital product, a very powerful thing that you can do is you can start to build up this email list of customers. Or not even customers, but you can build an email list of prospects, of leads. People who are interested in, let's say, your lead magnet or something that you give out for free. Typically, it's a free content like special reports or a cheat sheet or a checklist. And people opt into your system, they like your content, you start to build relationships and you continue to give them values and you establish trust and credibility. In the future, you have the ability to sell them more and more products that are higher priced at the back end. This is something that is not possible with affiliate marketing. In other words, with affiliate marketing, it is a one-time deal. You get the commission and that's it. You have no more access to that customers. Unless, if you do it strategically, before you actually send all those target audience to the digital creator, you actually capture their name and email address first. If you do that, then that might work just fine for you, because in the future, that list belongs to you and you can market to them again and again. But otherwise, I would suggest that you actually consider creating your own digital product. It will give you a greater control in terms of the income that you can receive instead of having to depend on somebody else to get you affiliate commission. So typically, if you have your own products, you can do it in this manner. You can send your target audience or those buyers who have bought an initially lower priced product, you can market them and offer them higher priced back-end products in the end. Let me illustrate how it works. Maybe somebody is interested in your free content or your lead magnet. They get into your newsletter, your email list, they subscribe to it, and you continue to build relationships with them over time. And at some point you offer to them, let's say a $27 ebook or a rather inexpensive mini course. You want the barrier of entry to be as low as possible when you want to convert these prospects into customers. And then what you can do is you can continue to bring them up the value ladder. From $27, now you can offer them a higher priced products. Let's say a product that is $97, another course in a related area. And then at some point in the future, they love the products, they love the $27 product, they love your $97 course, and they cannot get enough of you. So this is a point where you offer another higher end product, let's say a $497 masterclass, or it could be even at higher price points than that. And the possibilities are just unlimited. You see that you are able to milk this audience, target audience that you have acquired again and again. You can milk it for all it's worth. It is definitely a far better strategy in the long run, in my opinion. Having your own digital product also gives you the ability to let your creativity run wild. Think about it. This is your passion product. This is your baby, right? You can decide on the type of products that you want to sell and who you do business with. And I would say that the sense of fulfillment, rather than just the money alone, is worth the effort that you take into creating your own digital product. Yes, creating your own digital products doesn't come without its own set of challenges. And by the way, if you want to know all the challenges related to creating your own digital products, do check out the link above about a related video on that topic. But think about it, with your own products, you're able to make money out of your passion. this is the time when you're able to turn your passion into profit. You're able to turn something that you love into a money-making opportunity that will keep on generating you income day in and day out, even when you are sleeping. One of the things that deter a lot of people from creating their own products is they do not know what type of content, or if they know that many things that they can talk about in their course. Now, do not worry about that, because we live in the information era. There is literally a plethora, a myriad of information available out there for free that you have access to, and you can actually repurpose into your content. If all else fails, there's always this PLR, or private label rights material, that you can repurpose as the contents of your digital products. So the possibilities are actually unlimited when it comes to creating your own digital course. There is a learning curve that you need to actually go through when you are creating your own digital product. I'm not saying by all means that it's going to be easy. I'm not saying that creating your own digital product is without its sets of challenges. Again, but with the right combination of dedication, passion, belief, and faith from your part, there are so many helpful tutorials out there, and there are guidance that people can give you. Find a mentor. You can actually create your own successful digital product business. It is actually rather easy. It is not as complicated as you think once you know how to do it. If you like more resources on how you are able to create a system that can help you to create your own digital product business, do check out under the resource section in the description box down below a link to my special report that I put together for you. It is entitled The 5-Step System on Creating That Information Product Quickly that will build you a passive income business. Okay, do check that out. It is freely downloadable. That will give you a lot of information on how you can start and how you can be successful in this area. And also check out my other related videos on this particular topic of digital course creation. But I would like to encourage you and end with this parting word. The best way going forward with this digital product business is by creating your own digital course, because you will have the ability to create related products in the future that is related to the niche that you are in. And not only that, you have the ability to charge your clients and offer them higher end products and services in the future. With your own digital product, you are in control of your own content, your marketing, your offerings, your customers, your sale, and your profit. Eventually, you have control over your own destiny. So which one out of the two that you are doing right now or you are considering going into? Are you just first starting out in this industry? Do let me know in the comment box down below. I would love to hear from you. Do you agree with my assessment between affiliate marketing versus having your own product? Do let me know down below. I would like to hear from you. And again, if you like this video, do hit the thumbs up button and ring the bell so that you'll be notified the next time I release video like this. Until we meet again in our next video, do take care of yourself.